Well, it's Sunday, December 18th, 2017. As you can see, the lake's froze over, and I haven't done a video in a while, so I'm going to check one of the outlets, see if I can find anything, see if I can get my penny. And I want to say congratulations to Clint and Andrew for getting in the Treasure magazine. Woohoo! And I even got in there too with my picture, but congratulations on that, and let's see if there's some open water and see if I can get my penny. Well, the outlet is froze over, but Lake Michigan is still open, so I guess I'll wander the shoreline for a little bit and get my fix. Doggone it. Well, I didn't get a penny, but I finally got a quarter and a few pull tabs and other crap. Well, pop tops, screw caps, whatever you want to call them. But woohoo, no penny yet, but I'll take 25 pennies in shape of a quarter. Well, just dug me out a phone. Pretty sure this one wasn't, or doesn't work anymore. Well, I was out there probably 2 hours. I was kind of disappointed that the outlet was froze over, but there's the garbage I got along the lake shore, and the phone, pretty sure it doesn't work anymore. And then 2 quarters and a nickel. But it was nice being out and taking a break from messing with that water heater this weekend. Good grief, is that thing kicking my butt. But anyway, happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, happy Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. Enjoy the season with family. All the best, everybody.